Hello! Welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. I'm Deborah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get an update when I've got a new video to share. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you ladies so much for your continued love and support for my channel. I appreciate and adore you all. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can gracefully deal with people when they are always running late. I have to be honest here. I used to be the person that was always running late. My friends would sit at the restaurant, they'd be waiting for me, and it was a really bad habit to constantly be running late. So I have so much grace for people when they run late because that used to be one of my biggest challenges. So from personal experience, I know that it can happen quite a lot. And when it does, it's aggravating and annoying. So it's definitely something that you want to be able to handle with grace. One way to be graceful when you are dealing with people running late is to make plans in advance and send a calendar invitation before you are going to meet. So when you send a calendar invite to your friend, acquaintance, or family member, you're able to make sure you're confirming the date, time, and location for where you're planning to enjoy some time together. Now, from personal experience, I once went to happy hour to meet a friend and was sitting there wondering what was going on. And about 15 minutes later, my friend reached out to share that they went to the wrong restaurant, and so it happens. They were at the wrong location of the restaurant and it was across town. So in order to avoid that happening, it's best to make sure that everyone is all on the same page. You can do that really easy and efficiently by sending a calendar invite for any time you are making plans to spend time with someone. The second way to be graceful with people that are constantly running late is to confirm your plans the day before. Anything that you can do maybe the day before just to remind them and make sure that you are still planning to meet and make sure that nothing has changed will really help to make sure that your time together is top of mind. It's something that they remember, something that they know is going to happen, and something they can plan for. So confirming plans with someone the day before you meet is a really great way to help avoid them being late and constantly being tardy for your plans. The third way to be graceful when dealing with people that are constantly running late is to reach out and let them know when you are on the way. This is helpful because it's just another reminder the day of, maybe an hour or two before you're planning to meet, that hey, we are still meeting and I'm headed over in 10 minutes. I just have to finish up writing this article, or I have to finish up this report, and then I'm getting in the car in 10 minutes. But to let someone know you are on the way is another confirmation that can help to increase the chance that the person will be on time to meet you for whenever you make plans, because you're giving them a heads up. You're letting them know that you are looking forward to seeing them soon. So it's like a nice little reminder that if you are on the way, hopefully they should get on the road and head over to the location you agreed to meet at. Ladies, I would love to know from you, what do you do when you are dealing with people that are constantly running late? Sometimes it can be really frustrating when it's the same person constantly being tardy, and I'd love to know what one thing you do to gracefully deal with them and still maintain that friendship or relationship or connection. Share with us in a comment below and we'll keep the conversation going. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If it was at all helpful and insightful, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Share some YouTube love. I would appreciate that. I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Bye for now.